Every story you love has 5 powerful elements. Let's discover them in the easiest way ever. Today we're learning the 5 building blocks that make every story complete. First, characters. Characters are the people, animals, or creatures in a story. They can be brave heroes, silly monsters, talking animals, or even magical objects. A story always needs someone to follow, someone to care about. Characters make the story come alive. Next is the setting. The setting tells us where and when the story happens. Is it in a jungle? A snowy mountain? Inside a spaceship? Is it happening today, in the past, or in the future? The setting creates the world of the story. Number 3 is the plot. Plot means what happens in the story, the sequence of events. The beginning tells us who and where. The middle shows the main action. And the ending brings everything together. The plot is the journey that keeps the audience watching. Number 4 is conflict. Conflict means the problem in the story. Maybe a character needs to find something, fix something, or overcome a challenge. Without conflict, the story becomes boring. The problem makes the story exciting. And finally, resolution, how the story ends. The resolution shows how the characters solve the problem. It can be a happy ending, a twist ending, or even a lesson learned. Resolution gives the story a satisfying finish. And that's it. Characters, setting, plot, conflict, and resolution, the 5 elements of every great story. Next time you read or watch something, try to find them all.